Is Siri not responding on your iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or 17 model? These simple fixes will help bring it back. From the Hey Siri reset, checking restrictions, force restarting, updating your iPhone, and even cleaning the microphone. Let's get started. First, check the settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone, and scroll a bit to the Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Then tap on the Talk and Type to Siri option. Select Hey Siri and set it up. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup, or re-enable it by selecting off and then turning it back on. To use Siri with the side button, enable the Press Side button for Siri and Type to Siri toggles. Now, the next solution is to remove restrictions if they're enabled. Under the Settings app, scroll to the Screen Time option. Again, scroll to Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on the Intelligence and Siri option. Enable all the options you need, like Siri and dictation and other features that rely on Siri. Hope that works for you. If it's still not working or responding, try the third solution. Fix any internal software glitches by force restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo after the screen goes black. Then check Siri again. Hopefully that works. Sometimes Siri is on, but your iPhone can't understand the language, so check Siri's language settings. This fourth solution is correct. Under the Settings app, scroll to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Then select the appropriate language and make any necessary adjustments. Also enable the Allow Siri when locked toggle to activate Siri when your iPhone is locked. Sometimes your iPhone lags or freezes, so Siri responds too late. To reduce these issues, keep your iPhone updated. Under the Settings app, scroll to General and Software Update. Update your iPhone to the latest version. Also clean the microphone at the bottom edge of the iPhone and the one on the back near the camera. Use a soft baby brush and a cotton cloth to remove dust and clean it completely. No luck yet? Then post your question in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.